right there.
Right there on the building. That side. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, they're kind of covered.
Somebody get the ball!
Yeah. That's a blue building.
Come on!
Coming forward on that side. In the bunker, in the bunker!
Got one on the corner! Left corner!
Yeah, John, the first person you hit by the 5 seconds.
We need a medical here. 3 down.
Yes, who's on left?
Up here. Stop, tell me when you're clear. Tell me, we got 3 over here.
Let me know and I'll cover fire.
Just let me know when they're clear.
We are not.
Straight across the window. Grab that bomb.
Alright, whenever you're ready, I'll cover fire.
In the window, in the window. Max are dead.
Yeah, I'm trying to back him up, but no, stay down. I got him out, but there's 2 more guys in there. Okay, they're behind that brush pile. There's 3 of them. You're gonna have to watch it if you get up. The heck? Where are they coming from? That's what I'm saying, or not.